Another FCT High Court sitting in Abuja has nullified the arrest, detention, and interrogation of Godwin Emefiele, the former CBN governor, by the Department of State Services (DSS), barely 24 hours of similar judgment being delivered by another court. In a judgment upon an originating motion and notice brought before the court by Emefiele against Incorporated Trustees of Forum for Accountability and Good Leadership, the Attorney General of the Federation Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Inspector General of Police, State Security Service, and the Central Bank of Nigeria, the presiding judge held that the arrest, detention, and interrogation being in violation of the subsistent judgment and orders of Justice M.A. Azen in the suit. Emefiele, through his counsel Peter Abeng, had asked the court to set aside, quash, invalidate, and nullify the arrest and detention of the applicant for being illegal and a nullity in view of the subsisting judgment of Justice M.A. Azen delivered on 29 December 2022. Furthermore, the court granted an injunction restraining the respondent, particularly the DSS, from arresting, detaining, further detaining, or proceeding against breaching or interfering with Emefiele's personal liberty and freedom of movement, or taking any other step against him in connection with any allegations of terrorism, financing, fraudulent practices, money laundering, round-tripping, threat to national security before from any court since the date of the judgment of Justice Azen. The court finally granted an order of injunction directing and mandating the respondent, particularly the DSS, to forthwith release and unfetter Emefiele from any arrest, detention, custody, interrogation with regards to allegation of terrorism, financing, fraudulent practices, money laundering, round-tripping, threat to national security before or from any court in view of the subsisting judgment of Justice Azen.
We don't say you cannot arrest. You can arrest. We don't say you cannot investigate. You can investigate. It is your authority. It is within your authority to do that, and the law permits you to do that. You understand? But doing it, you do it within the confines of the Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended. And that is what we're asking. Let that judgment, and even if you're going to even charge him to court, it will not be on that, the issues that were raised in that judgment, because they are, the court is functions official on those issues that were raised before Justice M.A. Hassan. And the most of it is that DSS was even a party. They were represented in that case. Now there is no appeal. There is no stay for execution. For you to now do what? Go ahead and arrest this man.
A fighter jet belonging to the Nigerian Air Force on Friday crashed in Makurdi, Benue State capital. Details about the incident are still sketchy as of the time of filing this report. A military source said 2 personnel of the Nigerian Air Force on board ejected and halt, explained that an FT-7NI aircraft crashed today in Makurdi. The cause of the crash could not be immediately ascertained. It had 2 airmen on board. They ejected and halt from the jet.